Hi, in this video we learn how to extend lists with elements from other lists, tuples and strings. If you use the append method to append a list to another list, the whole list is added as an element of the other list. Like in the following example. We have a list, main list, with 3 elements, and let's define another list of numbers. And now let's try to append to our main list the other list. So list of numbers. And now let's print out our main list. And this is what we get. This list of numbers, was appended as a sublist to the main list. But what if we wanted to add all the elements of the other list separately to the outer list? So what if we wanted to have 1 and 4 added separately as 2 separate elements? Well, this is what extending a list means. We use extend to add all the elements of a list, tuple or string, so all the characters in a string, to a list separately. Let's define our main list again. And let's define our list of numbers again. And now let's use the extend method. So main list, extend list of numbers. Now let's print out main list. As you can see, now these 2 elements were added separately. So this is extending a list. We can also add all the elements of a string to a list. So all the characters one by one. So let's define a string. Just a string, wow. And now we can extend our main list with this string. Just a string. And what we get is this. So all the elements of this string have been added separately. Here, here, and here. Naturally, we can also use a tuple. So let's define a tuple of acronyms. And now let's extend our main list with the elements of this tuple. As you can see, these 2 elements have also been added separately. An alternative way to extend a list is by means of the augmented plus equals operator. So let's use our main list again. And this time, instead of using the extend method, let's use the plus equals operator, and let's extend the list with another list, like so. 1, 2, 3. Fine. And now our main list contains all these 3 characters or elements separately. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.